In this video I'm going to teach you how to play Row 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 Your Boat on the violin. I'm first going to show you an example and after that I'm going to break it down. Good luck learning the song! Let's break that down. A, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, E. 3, 3, 3, so 3 times 3, E, again 3 times E, 3 times 2, 3 times open A string, E, 3 on the A string, 2, 1, A. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more easy violin tutorials and inspiration to practice your violin.